Alright, Josh is taking the trailer off and we're going to pull the bucket truck up in the yard here. As you can see, we got a dead blackjack or turkey oak. Needs to come down, and it's right over power lines, over the driveway. There's also some, looks like cable TV, Comcast. So what we normally do is zip tie or rope those two together. That way if we do hit the cable, it doesn't tear it off. And we'll start by taking the machine, grabbing that lower branch, pulling it off, and then we'll go to work. I got a time-lapse video on that mailbox down there, so we should have the whole thing on video for you guys. Tree life, 584 tree, where we go out on them for you. You want to grab that branch and rip it off the tree with the machine. Boy, pig. There you go. What's nice about having a skid steer, you can just take the danger out of it. All right, what we're doing here is we're up above, we zip tied everything together. So now I have less targets to hit. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off the power line first and work my way back to the tree, get everything done with the top handle, and then switch over to a bigger saw. So, and try to do this all before the rain starts. Tree life.